Hello all, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how you can make your home loan interest free? Let's see in today's video. There are two methods where you can make your home loan interest free with the method 1 and in the method 2 you can make your home itself free. Yes, it is possible. Before jumping into the details, I would like to ask you to share this video with the family members and the friends who are in need of such information. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like my effort in making these videos, please like the video and comment. As it is possible to make your home loan interest free virtually by combining your EMIs with SIP. So SIP is nothing but systematic investment plan. If you are new to this word, please do watch my last week's video. And if you are new, still you can still continue with this video. We'll be again discussing quickly in this video as well. So we'll start with the method one. In the method one, it is mainly focused for people who has home loan which is of 20 years tenure. So in this method one, your EMI you should be paying as usual. Along with that, just need to add a SIP for the amount 10% of your EMI. Let's say you are paying 5,000 as an EMI every month, and you have to do SIP for 500 every month. So in this way, I will also show you in the calculator like how will be the returns for this strategy. So quickly jump into the calculator. So here I'm using HDFC home loan EMI calculator. You can also use any other bank's calculator. So in this example, I'm taking considering that your loan amount is 50 lakhs and the tenure is 20 and interest rate is 9%. And you can increase or decrease this home loan amount and the interest rate. The strategy will not vary, so the rules remain same for the method one because the tenure matters for this. And when it comes to EMI, so for 50 lakhs, we are paying around 45,000 as EMI every month, and interest paid across the 20 years is 57 lakhs, or in round figure, it is like 58 lakhs. Okay, let's see whether the second part of our strategy, the 10% of the EMI amount should be invested into SIP method. So for 45,000, the 10% comes to somewhere around 4.5k. So I will just adjust this. So if this is the calculator from Grow, but we can use any other SIP calculator as well. So 45,000 monthly invest, sorry, for 4.5k monthly investment consider because that is 10% of the EMI amount what we are paying. And I will adjust the returns expected to 15% by considering that you are investing into Nifty Bs or any other mutual funds with a large cap. And time period, it's already showing 20, so I leave it like that. Then comes to the estimated returns. So returns, you can see that it is already 57 lakhs change, and which is almost equal to the interest what we pay in the home loan. So in this way, you are just by adding a little bit of investment into SIP method, you are making your home loan interest free. So let's jump into the second method. So when it comes to method two, here the home loan tenure we are considering is 30 years, not like method one. Method one we are considering only 20 years. So all the new loans what we are getting is for 30 years. So if you are coming under that bracket, so you can use this method two. So in this method two, same like method one, you will be continuing with the EMI as usual, which will be deducted from your bank accounts every month. Along with that, you have to do 5% of the EMI amount as an SIP. So we will also see the examples and using the calculator here also. So, but the change here from method one is that there we are using 10% of the EMI amount every month, but here we just need 5% of the EMI amount. Like if your EMI is 5,000, in the method one we are investing every month 500, but here we need only 250 rupees every month. So here I am not changing the loan amount. Let's consider the same loan amount 50 lakhs. And the only change from method 1 to method 2 is the tenure in terms of home loan. So we are changing it to 30 years and I am leaving the interest rate as it is. So we have the EMI of 40,000 to 30 as every month EMI that we have to pay, and the total interest that we are paying for the home loan of 50 lakhs is 94 lakhs 83,000, and the total amount that you are spending for your home, let's say removing the down payment, is like 1 crore 44 lakhs. So let's see whether our method will give that or not. So earlier we were having around 4.5 as every month investment. So we now need to take only 5% of the EMI what we are paying. So the 5% out of 40,000 to 30 will come somewhere around 2,000 change. So I will consider 2,100, and this is the SIP amount for the method 2 that you have to invest every month. And the expected return I am not changing. It will be 115%, and the time period earlier it was 20. Now I changed it to 30. So let's see what is the return that we are getting. So we are getting a return of 1 crore 40 lakhs approx, and you see the interest is only 94 lakhs, and your total amount payable is 1 crore. That is including your principal amount. Like this is like 1 crore 44 lakhs. So if you consider the total investment amount and the total value, that we are getting 1 crore 47 lakhs. So this will be more than the amount what we are uh, payable at the home loan. So in this way, your total home loan will get paid off by the returns of SIP with the small amount every month. Like this is not a very big amount that you have to do as an SIP. So this will be a game changer if you have a home loan, or if you are planning to take a home loan. Please combine that with a SIP. To conclude, you can use either method 1 or method 2 based on your home loan tenure, whether it is 30 years or 20 years, and combine your EMIs with SIP. A small amount of SIP can give you a very good yield at the end, and this is how you can make your home loan interest free virtually, and even you can make your total home as free by taking the returns from the SIP investments. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.